Hello students, in today's session of permutation combination, very basics will be cleared through illustrations. In this session, we are going to discuss fundamental principle of counting, of multiplication, of addition, of addition. What is factorial? What is factorial? How higher to lower can be converted into love, right? And exponent of prime in factor n. All these topics will be discussed through illustrations, right? Now let's start with the concept and questions. Question is, a hall has 12 gates. In how many ways can a man enter the hall through one gate and come out through a different gate? Concept applicable. Fundamental principle of counting of multiplication, that is known as FPC of multiplication, which states as if an operation can be performed in m different ways, following which a second operation can be performed in n different ways, then two operations in succession can be performed in m into n ways. This can be extended to any finite number of operations, right? In this case, total number of gates is 12. Man can enter in a hall in 12 ways. According to question, to come out through different gate will be one gate already utilized, so pending is 11 ways. What is the event in this case? Event is first to enter, then to leave. Then to complete the event, all the sub-events are to be multiplied. What is event? Event is to enter and to leave. Sub-events are to enter is one sub-event, to leave is another sub-event. To get that event, all sub-events are to be multiplied. That is the FPC of multiplication, right? Therefore, according to FPC of multiplication, number of ways will be 12 into 11. That is the answer. That is the application of FPC of multiplication, right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept killing videos are very helpful, useful for 11th standard, 12th standard, CBSE board, state boards, JEE, CUET, and other entrance examinations. Concerned may visit and review the same. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर आपने अभी तक YouTube चैनल सेटिस्फाइड लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that repetition of digits is allowed and repetition of digit is not allowed. Now, total number of digits given, digits given 5. All are different. All are different. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To form 3-digit number. That is unit place, tenth place, hundredth place. Condition is repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. Now, unit place can be filled up in 5 ways. Tenth place can be filled up in, as repetition is allowed means we can use the once number used there can be utilized again 5 ways. And 100th place can be filled up in 5 ways. What is the event in this case? Event is to form 3-digit number. Sub events are to fill up unit place is the one sub event, to fill up 100th place the second sub event, third sub event is to fill up 100th place. To find the 3-digit number, therefore, by FPC of multiplication. Total number of ways will be equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. When repetition is allowed. Second condition, when repetition is not allowed. Means unit place, tenth place, 100th place can be filled up 5 ways. Once your number utilized, can be used here 4 ways, then 3 ways, right? Therefore, by FPC of multiplication, possible ways, all sub-events will be multiplied. 3 into 4 into 5, that is 60 ways. That is the answer. This is application of FPC of multiplication. When repetition is allowed, when repetition is not allowed. Right? Next question. Question is, how many 3 digits even number, condition is even number, can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If digits can be repeated. Concept applicable. Total digits 6. All are different. Yes. Condition even number. Even number means unit place should be 2, 4 or 6. Repetition allowed or not allowed. We have checked all the parameters. Now, unit place can be filled up In how many ways? 3 ways to satisfy the condition of even number. 10th place, as the repetition is allowed, so number used here can also be used at other places. So 5 ways. 5 ways. 100th place, that is, sorry, 6 ways. Yes, 6 ways. Right? Now, what is the event here? This event is to obtain the 3-digit number. To complete this, we have 3 sub-events. One sub-event is this, another sub-event is this, third sub-event is this. To get the event, all the sub-events are to be multiplied according to the FPC of multiplication. According to FPC of multiplication. Total number of 3-digit numbers with the unit even number will be 3 into 6 into 6. That is 108 ways. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, there are 4 students for physics, 5 students for chemistry, 7 students for mathematics gold medal. In how many ways one of these medals be awarded? Concept applicable. Fundamental principle of counting of addition, FPC of addition. How it is defined? If an operation can be performed in m different ways, and another operation which is independent of the first operation can be performed in n different ways, then either of the 2 operations can be performed in m plus n ways. This can be extended to any finite number of mutually exclusive operations. Now, let's start the question. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. Number of students. Students in physics, in chemistry, in math. Now, in this case, gold medal can be awarded. Gold medal can be awarded to any physics student in 4 ways. In 4 ways. Similarly, in chemistry, 5 ways. And in mathematics, 7 ways. Right? Therefore, by FPC of addition. Now in this case, what is our event? In this event is to award the gold medal. If we awarded the gold medal to the physics student, event is complete. Sub-event is not there, event is complete. Then it can be awarded to chemistry student. If we award to chemistry student, the event is complete. If we award to mathematics student, then award is complete. Means possible ways are 4 ways can be given to physics student, 5 ways can be given to chemistry student, and 7 in mathematics ways. So total will be, in all these cases, it is complete event, this is complete event, this is complete event. सब events नहीं है, सब events में FPC of multiplication लगता है, events में FPC of addition लगता है. Therefore, total possible ways of awarding gold medal equal to 4 plus 5 plus 7, 16 ways. That is the answer. Right? Question is, find n if n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. Before solving this question, concept of factorial will be clear. What is factorial? Let n be positive integer. Factorial is defined by positive integral values. Then continued product of first n natural numbers is called factorial and denoted by factorial n. That is, suppose factorial 5 is there, control 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 6 is there, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or it can be stopped at anywhere. For suppose factorial 7 है, 7 into factorial 6 भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, 7 into 6 into factorial 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. Depending on the requirement of the question, we can stop at between. Now factorial 0 की value 1, factorial 1 की value 1. Now in this case, higher factorial can be reduced into lower one. Numerator can be reduced n minus 1 up to r plus 1 r. Factorial stop कर दिया बीच में हमने. According to the requirement in the denominator factor r. This goes. So pending is n minus 1 r plus 1. This is the answer, right? This is not distributive, means this is m plus m factorial plus n factorial. ये इसके इक्वल नहीं होगा. Similarly, m factorial into n factorial ये भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है? These are the properties. Now let's start the question. Question is n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. Means this is the higher factorial. This is the lower factorial. Higher factorial, generally we can use the reverse also. Generally higher factorial reduces into the lower one. So n plus 2, n plus 1, n फिर n minus 1. यहाँ stop कर दिया. That equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. This is cancelled out. Means n plus 1, n plus 2 equal to 60. There are two methods. Solve the equation, solve it, or by common sense. Prime factors क्या होंगे 60 के? 12 into 5, 3 into 4 into 5. These are the factors, right? 3 into 4 into 5. These are the three conjugated. This is also the conjugated numbers. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 equal to 60. Therefore, n equal to 3 is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find remainder when r equal to summation r equal to 1 to n factorial r is divided by 15 if n is greater than equal to 5. N is greater than equal to 5. Now, summation r equal to 1 to n factorial r. This is the condensed form, we are expanding it. तो इसको लिख सकते हैं हम. We have to move up to n. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial plus 7 factorial up to n factorial. In this case, n is greater than equal to 5. See? We have to find division by 15. 15 means multiplication of 5 and 3 should be there. If we use 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 15 is there. 15 will be here, 15 will be here, 15 will be here. Means this is completely divisible by 15. Now to check here. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 plus 2 plus 6 प्लस फैक्टोरियल 4 की वैल्यू क्या होगी 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 फैक्टोरियल 4 24 प्लस 24 30 33 33 means 2 plus 3 by 13. The remainder is 3 when divided by 15. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is find exponent of 3 in factorial 100. Concept applicable and solution. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of exponent factorial. Means factorial 100 is given to you. One method is इसको लिखेगा 100 इंटू 99 इंटू 321 फिर उसमें देखिएगा हाउ मेनी 3 की पावर आर देयर दैट विल बी द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 3 दैट इज वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग and lengthy process. Another method is exponent of prime in factorial n. Exponent of prime in n is denoted by Epn, where p is the prime number and n is the natural number. So this is denoted by this one. This is greatest integer function. This is the greatest integer function. Means n is here 100, p is 3. We have to find exponent of 3 in factorial 100. That will be equal to 100 by 3 greatest integer function plus 100 by 3 ka square plus 100 by 3 ka cube plus 100 by 3 की power 4 plus 100 by 3 की power 5. You have to find the exponent. This comes out to be GIF का meaning क्या है 3.2. Answer is 3. 0.2 answer is 0. 3.9 answer is 3, like this. That will be 33 point something. So this comes out to be 33 plus 9 divided by 9 99. So this comes out to be 11 plus 81 3 की power 2 27 multiplied 81. So this comes out to be 3 plus 4 81. That comes out to be 1. That comes out to be fraction, that is 0. On simplification, this comes out to be 48. Means exponent of 3 in factorial 100 is 48. That is, if we write in lengthy way, c की power 48 आएगा, like this. This is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, City Shift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.